No matter what the haters say, as long as we can see our dreams, we can make it through anything. We can make a better way. No matter what the haters say, as long as we can see our dreams, we can make it through anything.
This life ain't easy, baby. Some things can drive you crazy. Plus, living in the hood, some things I seen never cease to amaze me. Gunfight, white tea, drug sales. No killers getting straight out of jail. No money, no job, no peace, no sleep. It's a living hell. See crime, but we can't tell. Locked up, but it ain't no bail. Young mothers are hustling with only their bodies to sell. It's like we just a shell of what we used to be. What happened to all the Malcolm X's and Dr. Kings? To the Sojourner Truths, please come and walk with me. I'm so tired of seeing marches only on TV. Come make the killers stop. Come set your people free. Come free their minds and help them find their own identities. Come build a better block. We all want better homes. Come help us put in hard work. I think nobody knows. And let the hard work show. Leave us beaming with pride. Let's show our gifts to the world. Let them know we alive.